Hello and welcome back to my channel. I've been to the car boot sale and we all know what that means. Let's have a look in the car boot sale bag of dreams. Right, let's dig in, see what we've got. I found something interesting. Most of it's rusty gold. This isn't rusty though, this is nice. The first time I come across one of these, and I found it in a box with 50p, no blades. Well, she's a beauty. I love the design. That'll clean up nice, that, with a bit of polish. Tool steel for the lathe. Not very exciting, but it's a big lump and it says Sweden 1947 on it. £2.50. I bet I wouldn't like to buy this from an engineering place, it'd be very expensive. Oh yes, paint scrapers again. I'll show you what I'll do with these. I'll show you right now. Now there was a stall and everything was £1. I'm kicking myself now because there's a big drain cleaner on there and it looked like new. I wish I bought that. But what I did get off the stall was this. And it's nothing special. It's alright for £1. It'll be handy around the workshop. Can't go wrong for that for £1, can you? Very happy days. Something a bit unusual. These are on eBay, they're going for about £12 to £15 and I got this for 50p. I think it's some kind of digging implement. But it's also a fish's tail, I'd say. Wow, lovely. What a find. What else have we got in here? Oh yes, garden secateurs. These are really nice. This one was £1 and these were 50p each, so in rougher condition. But a nice collection. I believe people make parrots out of them and things like that. So that's a nice thing to have in stock. And they're really nice. Bet they could tell a tale or two. Some consumables, shaped stones. There's 50p each these, that's a bargain. I thought it was going to be £1 each, but when it said 50p I bought all four. Very handy for grinding. I'm happy with that. And a wire brush, that was £1 as well. Happy days. Oh yes. This was £1. Some kind of stonemason chisel, look at that. Maybe it's a plug-in chisel, I think. It's old, it's got a name on it. I can't make it out. That might be the name of the guy, yeah? Who owned it. Beautiful. Glad I bought that. It's not all car boot sale tools. Some things come by eBay. I've never had one of these before and I'm very excited. Let's open it up. One thing I don't have is a knife in the workshop. All these tools don't have a knife. Well, I do have one somewhere, but you know where it is. Can't find it. I think it's got a bit of age to this. Oh, there we go. Wow, it's a whopper, it's a beauty. It's an absolute beauty. I believe we've got a vintage French axe. Oh wow, look at that. It's pretty sharp as well. That is amazing. That is beautiful. I got just a job for that. Wasn't dear as well. But £30. I won it at auction. I think sometimes they go for about £60, which I'm not surprised. I believe it's come out of an old French farmhouse. Oh, it's wonderful. I love it. Right, let's keep going. Calipers, lots of calipers. They make good bird beaks. Again, if you want these on eBay, they're really expensive, like £8–9 each. With the postage as well, where you get them for 50p each. It's a no-brainer to get them off the car boot sale. There's no way I'm paying. I thought they might have been cheap on eBay, but they're not. That's okay, that's a good collection. I got that for 2 or 3 different boxes. It's amazing how many of these are springing about. What else did we get? Just interesting pliers. Lots and lots of pliers. Nothing special. Just good to have in stock. They come in handy for arms and legs on sculptures, unfortunately. That's a nice one though, I might keep that one, it's unusual. That's a nice one, that. That will be kept. Put it over there out at where. More pliers. I think I've got a plier fetish. Anyway, you get the idea. Right, a show I'll be making out of an old garden hoe. It's a bit creepy. I hope you like it.